In this video, I'll go ahead and demonstrate how to do the NVM settings for the Xerox AltaLink models. First, we'll hold the home button for about 8 to 10 seconds, then you'll let go. An alternative menu should pop up. Here, we're going to type in 6, 7, 8, 9, then hit OK. In here, we're going to want to go under Adjustments, and we're going to want to find NVM Initialization. We'll click on Network, we'll initialize it, and up in the top left corner should say Successful. Next, we'll aim for the copier. We'll select these three, and then for the data, go ahead and select All. Once that's done, you'll press X there. We'll go into read/write. In here, we're going to type in 61614. We'll go ahead and select read, and this is going to pop up. In here, you'll have to change this value to number 2, then we'll select write. Once that's done and successful, you'll press X, call closeout, reset counters, and X and reboot. This will reboot to the startup menu with the menu language. In here, we're going to go ahead and select our language of preference choice. Then we're going to go ahead and select customer. You'll see in the top corner it says non-customer mode. That will go off once the machine restarts. We'll go ahead and select next here. We'll go ahead and hit locked if you like, of your preference choice, or you can have it unlocked. This is for the admin. So this should restart your admin back to 1111. If it does not, we'll have to use a serial number in order to retrieve that. But you can keep it locked. In here, we'll go ahead and select IPv4 address so you can have that displayed there on top. Then we'll click next here. We'll click inches for our paper settings, and then in here we can add our IP settings if we would like to change it, or add the fax. We can continue with the fax setup here, or you can do that later on. This is a contact number for the company that you put the machine, and we can add our number there, but it could be left blank. In here, you can go ahead and hit restart. The machine should restart, and everything should be clear.